position is good. But as to the reason why our colleague in PDP will come, I don't know the details, and I can't hold brief for him. He has to talk for himself. But I want to assure you that all the governors in PDP are doing very well in their respective states. Possibly because we are in opposition and the pressure is on us. We are doing the best we can. I will invite you to come to my state in Taraba and come and see the beautiful works I'm doing there in all ramifications, from education, from agriculture to name it. We're doing a great job there, infrastructure and etc.
Yes, sir, but your party has a reconciliation committee that has worked so hard, and I believe a report has been presented recently, the Saraki committee. This committee visited Ayade, and is it that the effort of the committee is not yielding fruit? What do you think could be responsible?
Well, you see, the committee they have done a good job. Let me tell you, they have done a good job, a very good one. But it depends on the decision of an individual and what he actually hopes to gain. You may get the best of intentions, somebody may not agree with your own intention. And so that is the point that I think is more of the governor's decision as it affects him, and that nobody can hold brief for that.
Then they are saying some other PDP governors may join. Do you see that happening?
And I don't see that. I don't see that happening. I don't see. As I said, even his own is a shock to some of us. I don't see that happening. And for Nigeria, it shouldn't. We should hope for an opposition, a vibrant opposition that will help to put and maintain the system in going. Democracy without opposition, that is not a democracy. Yes.
What brings you here today, sir?
On Wednesday, the governors...
All these are issues that are ongoing. I can't preempt anything now. They are all issues that are ongoing, even including the JUSON and others. They are all issues, committees have been set up. The issues are still ongoing.
What is your mission, yes, sir, this morning?
I came to brief the Chief of Staff so that he can pass some of my observations and thoughts to Mr. President, particularly on Mambila hydropower and others.
There's been a resurgence of insecurity left, right, and center. What are you doing in your area to tame this?
Well, insurgency, we are doing our best. They are doing their best under the circumstances to make sure we reduce as much as possible the casualties. And in Taraba, well, we have tried to reduce it, but of recent, we are still having our own problems too. But we are working on it, and we are on top of it. Just last week, we had some problems between the herders and the farmers, and we have quelled it substantially, but with a lot of losses. We are hoping that that will have come to a full stop by now.
How do you react to the news that Shekau may have been killed or badly injured? Because they are very close to the Sambisa forest.
This news has always been like that. Let us wait and see if it is true. And if it is true, then well, we will say that we are hoping that the solution is at sight.
Thank you very much.